Hey Scott, this is Jackie Outwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly on the phone the other night about me sending you over this custom video of your website audit. I'm going to cover a couple of free tips that you can incorporate yourself, but through the duration of this video, I'm going to compare you to your top competitor within your specific city. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put HVAC companies in Grapevine, Texas into Google. And this top section up here, as you can see, that's the ad. It says sponsored. Down here below begins the Google Map Pack. If you're not part of that, we would want to go ahead and add you to that. And then this is where the actual organic section begins. So this is where the rankings begin. Angie's List and Yelp are obviously directory links. If you weren't part of those, we would go ahead and add you to them. And then this, of course, is like the actual non-directory links. So I would say the number one would be Airco, which is commercial or franchise. Then this Coventry and Gaddis, and through the duration of this video, I'm going to go ahead and compare you to Baker Brothers. So what I did next is I pulled up each of their websites, and you're a couple spots below them for Grapevine. Went ahead and pulled up their website, and the first thing that we're going to talk about is content. So content is any verbiage that is on your website. We're specifically going to speak on the content on your homepage. So what I do first is I go ahead and I grab this and I put it into your word counter, and you can see that they have about 1,700 words worth of content on their homepage. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for your website. And you have about 700 words. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being that the content provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for you to stick keywords into those, which are going to bring you up in Google searches. I'm about to get into keywords in just a second, but what is a keyword? A keyword are the phrases that people put into Google to pull up your site. So HVAC companies in Grapevine, Texas, etc. If that's somewhere in your content, it's going to bring up your website. So what you want to do is you want to look at the most search driven with the highest volume keywords within your area, and you want to slip those into your content on your homepage. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these websites and I'm going to put it into an online tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online auditing tool. You can see right off the bat their traffic value is pretty insane. This is what they're spending per month on ads down here. And these are the organic keywords, so this is what I'm really going to focus on. I'm going to take a look at these organic keywords. And right off the bat, you can see Plumbers, Grapevine, Texas, Plumber, Carrollton, Texas. They do a little bit more than just HVAC, but heating service near me. Let's look. Plumbing Dallas, air conditioning repair Dallas. Things like this, plumbing companies near me. As you can see, it has a very high search volume, but that's a nationwide keyword. What this means is that someone in Oregon essentially could Google this and it would bring up their website. Is that going to bring you a buyer intent customer? Not necessarily, unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon, servicing them, whatever. We're going to focus on local keywords because those are the ones that are going to make you money. So things with the location attached, that's what our focus is. Let's go ahead and look at yours. You have 251 organic keywords. So furnacers, that's a nationwide keyword. Heating repair near me, same thing. Things like diamond quality services and all of that. The issue with those being like your high keywords is that the only people who are going to search for this are people who already know about you. We want to find people who don't know about you. So it looks like we're missing a bunch of locations attached. AC repair, Irving, Texas. Air conditioning, Irving, Texas. So these are good ones down here. Air conditioning repair. It just looks like there's a lot more we can do, and we can also cover a lot of the surrounding towns. And the last thing that I am going to touch on is backlinks. So let's take a look. So backlinks are essentially anywhere throughout the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website specifically is linked 7.05k times. What does that do? That provides 7.05K times more for this website to get publicity. We take a look at yours, you have 687. So not all backlinks are created equal. We would focus on higher powered backlinks. We don't necessarily have to reach the number that they have, but if we found higher powered backlinks, we could essentially like climb them in the ranks. Anyways, that being said, Scott, I just wanted to provide you with these couple tips that you can incorporate yourself, or feel free to reach out to me for more information, etc. My contact information is in the email below, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.